Today I'll show you how to log in to MetaTrader 5 using your Exness trading account. First, download the MT5 trading application from the official website. I'll leave the download link in the video description, along with a step-by-step tutorial on how to install it on both Mac and Windows. Once the installation is complete, MT5 will launch automatically. Now let's log in with your Exness account. At the top left, click File, then select Open an Account. A new window will appear where you'll need to choose a company. Search for Exness Technologies Limited. Make sure to select exactly this option from the list, then click Next. You'll see three options. Open a demo account to practice with virtual funds, open a real account for live trading, or connect to an existing trading account. Choose Connect with an existing trade account. Now enter your account details. In the Login field, type your Exness trading account number. In the Password field, enter your trading account password. For the server, select the correct server from the drop-down list. Finally, click Finish. If you encounter an error, double-check your login credentials and try again. And that's it. Congratulations! You are now logged in to MetaTrader 5 with your Exness trading account.